Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike. Today you've got another Temu unboxing. I just want to say apologies for the disruption to the whip and chats. At the moment we are currently waiting for some more of the summer theme paintings to come in from Temu, and they're a little bit behind incoming. They're just currently at the airport at the moment, so disruption to whip and chats are expected to last until Tuesday of next week. Hopefully by that time we should have that, but we have reached the last of the unboxings for the minute again, so there probably won't be a video tomorrow or the weekend, but we'll see whether they turn up soon, and then hopefully we can start to roll the whip and chats back out again. But anyway, let's get into this package. We've got some diamond paint stuff, and we've also got a very interesting torch. So yeah, let's get into the package and see what we got going on in here, shall we? I love shopping with Temu, like, I can't stop ordering. Does anyone else get like that? Like, you just can't resist ordering. So let's get into here, and oh wow, it's not actually boxed. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, yeah, this is oh, okay. It's out the box. I can see it's a little bit battered up there, but it's hanging out the box, which is not very good, but we can see. But this is the torch. I've been seeing this everywhere, like on Temu, and apparently it's a very, very bright torch. Now, here it looks like it looks bright. I mean, obviously you've got this side and then you've got there. But what's nice is you've got that little handle as well. So what batteries does it take? Oh, 3 AAs. I don't know if I've got any 3 AAs. AA batteries are quite hard. I'll have to borrow it from my blood pressure machine, so I'll be back in a jiffy. Yeah. Okie dokie. So, let's get I always buy the Amazon rechargeable batteries, because whenever you get batteries from the pound shop, they always feel like very light and very light. I only seem to be filled up like halfway, and they don't last very long, so... Oh, yeah, okay, well... I wasn't expecting that to come on quick, but I imagine this is quite bright, so if you're sensitive to light, please, like, don't watch the video. That is a disclaimer there. If you are sensitive to light, this light will be very bright, so obviously just fast forward this part of the video. Thank you very much. So already this looks absolutely amazing. I mean, there is a button. I think that button controls that, and then this one controls... Oh, right. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is quite interesting. When you push that, it comes on there, but when you push it again, it comes on that one, and bloody hell is that bright. Good God, look at that. It's a shame I can't test it in the dark, but if we was to go like that, you can see how bright this looks inside that bag. So let's just push that again, and wow. Yeah, so let's give this a go. So this one is... Oh, okay. That's not actually an operational button. Wow. All right. So this doesn't work there. That's just for show. But yeah, what I have noticed is there doesn't seem to be, like, you know, where you can sometimes press and there's like different lights, there's flashing or there's a standard light and then it might flicker. It doesn't do that. So you've just got the one function, one puts it onto there, you push it again and it goes onto there. So that, if you're working perhaps you know, in the garden, perhaps you're doing some late night weeding and you know, you might need to use the light if it's getting dark. That's quite good. It's quite good for emergencies as well. I think I paid like only £1.69 for this, but yeah, I was expecting it would do like flash as well, but yeah, I think it looks quite good. I mean, it's a little bit scratched there, isn't it? It's quite scratched, but I think that's pretty cool. And as you can see, as I say, in the bag, it's quite bright as well. So that's a little great kit, I think. So, wow, very, very happy with that. Fantastic. So, yeah, quite cool. Excellent. Okay, so we'll put that to one side. I'll have to remember to pop them back in the blood pressure machine thing. Now let's get into our... Where did we put them? Okay. I've moved my paintings. What's happened here? Okay, I've lost my paintings, guys. Oh my God, what have I done with them? Okay, if I took them in the other room. Okay, just bear with me, I've lost my paintings. I've literally just gone all the way in the room and they've been on the desk the whole time next to my book. So we've got 2 paintings here. Now, Hannah, Crafting with Hannah, put up a painting of this dolphin with Looked Like It Was on the Beach as a special. So I hope you like this one. So we're going to show you that because it's very similar. So let's show you this first. And I almost got this for the flower theme. But yeah, look at these. Let's go into these ones. And as you can see, this is a special as well. It's quite a lovely one, this one. And as you can see here, it is absolutely, looks all blue drills. Oh wow, we've got some orangey ones there, the teardrops. Oh, that's going to be nice. And look at this, just look at the colours in this. I can see Lazy Retired Granny buying this because she loves anything to do with like trees, rivers and that. And I came across it and I thought, this is absolutely gorgeous. What we've got going on here is it looks like it's some sort of, like a lake or something. You've got a water fountain, this gorgeous cherry blossom tree. And on Amazon years ago, I used to buy these little crystal tree things. And my other phone's not in here, but there used to be, like, you put this cardboard tree in a little container and then you pour this special liquid on it, and by the morning you had like very delicate crystals, but the minute you knock that, your crystals have fell off the tree, you know. So it's got to be somewhere where it won't get like easily bashed and that. And then we've got some, like, a tree going on in the background, and then just look at this flurry of different tulips that we've got here. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is going to be very, very pretty going on down here. I mean, it's just absolutely stunning, isn't it? Really, really beautifully done. And yeah, this is absolutely just, yeah, I love it. I absolutely love it. The stick on here is really, really good. So that's good. The stick's really, really nice. And yeah, it just reminds me of the Willy Wonka chocolate factory, because you know that pink boat that goes through it, it was like that. So seeing all these different flowers sort of reminded me of that sort of scene, but I thought this is quite lovely. So yeah, unfortunately the flower theme is come to an end, but we will save this for whenever we next do the flower theme. And yeah, so that's that one. Let's take a look at our boat. So we've got a standard boat, as you can see there. And we have our drills here. So let's take a look at our beautiful, beautiful drills. My Craft Buddy order turned up yesterday. So unfortunately, the lady didn't have, she doesn't do in post. So I had to send it to Yodel. So I've got to go and pick that up at some point. And in here, oh, just look at these orange teardrops. These are absolutely gorgeous. I've not worked with orange ones like this with that hint of gold on before. These are lovely. So we've got orange teardrops. We've got our pink teardrops here. We've got a dark green, sort of emerald green there. A classic silver and another pink there. A red. We've got a gold. A lovely sort of... I don't really know what to call that colour, but like a brownish sort of colour, a lime green, and this beautiful minty icy blue at the end there. So this is going to be a stunning image. Really, really happy with that. Absolutely gorgeous. And that is, oops, where's that one? Why am I putting that in there? I need that one. I always put my trays back in there just until I'm ready to do them, because what I used to do was I tipped all my drill belts into a big box, and it takes forever going, right, is this it? Is that one? Pull that one out. Is this it? You know, I can't be dealing with that. So that's our first one. And then we have the one that I've been teasing Hannah. It's so strange because, like, the one that Hannah showed yesterday, I have put that in my basket, and I went for this, which is very similar. We both seem to have very similar tastes for diamond paintings, so we're both into sort of like the same thing. And I absolutely love this, because the thing is with Temu, when you search for a special drill, they will recommend special drill paintings, so they're really good like that. And as you can see in here, can you guess what it might be, guys? I love ships, and look at this in all its glory. This is absolutely stunning. So as you can see, it's a partial blue with that lovely sort of snowflake drops vibe going on. You've got that beaming sun in the background here, and then it's sailing on this icy blue river, and you've even got a little bit of ice there. It's a shame there weren't a polar bear just sitting there, because I think that would make a good touch. But as you can see, all of this is going to be special drill, so you can see how shimmery this is going to look. And I almost went for that dolphin, and my heart was with this one at the moment. So yeah, I cannot wait to get this. I've had 3 paintings with this lovely board one, which is quite nice. I mean, I cannot wait to start this, not get this, because I've already got it. We got our standard boat again. Yeah, this is, oh, I just really want to get into it now. I mean, that blue there looks like it's going to go over here. So don't you just love a special? But yeah, this is going to be really nice. So as you can see in here, we have ourselves our drills. Oh my God, these are they teardrops? Yeah, they are. God blimey, that is a small drill. Look at that. Cool, that's going to be quite hard to pick up. We might have to use tweezers for that, but we've got a very small teardrop, as you can see. We've got an amber sort of marquee. We've got a silver sort of marquee colour there, and we've got an amber one just crept in there. We've got a lovely ice, sort of like a rose goldy pink. We've got an amber, a blue, a black. I think that's like a tinge of pink on there. That's a very unusual colour. Wow. And then we've got like a brownie colour and an orange and a little minty ice blue and this gorgeous silver. So this is going to be a stunning image. So once again, we have this gorgeous, it's like the Black Pearl from Pirates of the Caribbean, just sailing and gliding across the ocean. Of course it isn't the Black Pearl, but yeah, I mean up here looks like it's going to be, there's not a figurehead on this one, but it looks like it's going to be quite shimmery with all this gold going on. And we've got like a round, I think that might be a cannon shooting a ball or something, but I just love the way the sun is behind it. I think that's going to look lovely. So we'll put that into there for that one. Okay. So we've got ourselves our ship. We've got ourselves this beautiful tulip painting and this very high-tech, lovely, gorgeous little light. I think it is quite heavy on the batteries are in, but you got that little hand one. I think that's lovely. I think my brother might like that, but he's all into like tools and torches, and yeah, I think that is absolutely fantastic. Very impressed with that. I didn't show you the front of it, but it actually says it's an LED side light, handle portable, 3 AA batteries. They're not included, so you will have to purchase those. You know, and it's an LED work light. So yeah, this will come in handy for you, Debbie, as well, with Debbie Gets Crafty, because they get tornadoes a lot. Is it tornadoes or really bad storms? So I think that could be quite handy for you, Debbie, in like the emergencies with the weather and that over there. But they're always good to have. You never know when you're going to have a power cut, and we've had power cuts quite recently, quite a lot recently. So this is going to be great. I know I've got my torch phone, but sometimes if you've got no power and you can't charge your phone and your power bank's dead, you're going to need to save as much battery on that phone as possible. So that's where this comes in. But overall, another really happy purchase. Really happy with all of them. And it just makes you want to order more now, doesn't it? Like, God, I dread to think where I'm going to put all these. Because I keep buying and buying, and I've literally got no room. Some are like tied up in elastic bands. Like, I need one of them, you know, them things that go on the doors, what they call, like, not command strips, but it's like I've seen them on channels. It's like a really long thing, and you just shove them into, like, they're rolled up. Can't think what they're called, but I could do with one of them. But yes, so as I say, there's a slight disruption to the whip and chats until we can get we're waiting for them to come in, and then we can mold them back out again. But yeah, so very exciting stuff. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to get any of these, the links are of course in the description of the video. There's no video on the weekend. There possibly might be one on Friday. If I go and get my Craft Buddy one now, I can get that done for Friday. But until then, take care, have a wonderful day, and happy diamond painting. Bye bye.